Hey friends, and happy Tuesday, May the 12th. I have to look and see what day it is. So today is of our surfing into summer. We are on our N day in surfing. And so today you have a nutty buddy that I sent to you, and I want you to write a note to your buddy. So while you're enjoying your nutty buddy today, I want you to write a note to a buddy at school. So this, I sent also a colored pen that you can use to write a note to your buddy. So this is going to be for language arts today. Its paper looks just like this. You're just going to write who you would like to write your note to, obviously, who it's from, and then you have a place to write whatever you would like to say to your friend. So this is also another time that I want you to use to encourage, to uplift, and to let them know what a great friend they've been to you this year. And I know some of you are thinking, oh man, I don't know who to choose. I have so many friends I'd love to write a note to. If that's the case, you're more than welcome to grab other paper and write more than one note. I'm not going to tell you you can't do that. You can definitely write a note to anybody you would like to, but I want to have at least one done that we can share with our friends when we come back to school. In this note, remember, just encouraging, uplifting, telling them how much that you've enjoyed being in class with them this year. I sent 2 pages. If you don't need both of them, you can maybe use one for another friend. Doesn't matter to me. But it doesn't have to be any certain length. But I wanted to give you plenty of space to write if you wanted to. But it's just something to encourage them and to let them know that you are thankful for such a great friend. All right, so that's going to be our writing activity today, which will be for language arts. And then go ahead and pause this, or you can even go ahead and do math and come back to the note, whatever's easier for you. And we're going to move on to math today. All right, math looks like this today. And that big S word is symmetry. Symmetry. Symmetry means that it is exactly the same on one side as the other. So the instructions, I was trying to say directions and instructions at the same time. Let's try to get the directions say, use the grid lines to help you mirror the image of the frog. So that's exactly what symmetry is. It means it's going to mirror it, look exactly the same. When you and I look into a mirror, we're seeing the opposite. It's a reflection of us, but it looks exactly the same as what other people see when they see us. And so this is what we're doing. Symmetry means it is the same. Okay, so we're going to do the first couple blocks together so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so do you notice how this block should now mirror this block? So let's just do this first. So in this block, I have a dark line that looks like a curve, and then I have another one that kind of is a little bit at the bottom of a curve. Okay, so we're just gonna do this box right here. Try to make it look the same, just like if it was a mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and draw mine. If you want to use black, you can use black. If you don't want to use black, doesn't really matter what color you pick as long. Okay, so you can see how I've kind of drawn the same line here, same line here. Oh, you can see I needed a little better curve there. I'm gonna erase that. Give myself a little more of a curve. Not all the way down. Okay. There we go. Okay. Then the next one, let's go ahead and do this box right below it. Okay, so I'm just going to, this will help a friend. I take my pen and I just start drawing from the line that we're on. I can't do it standing up, but you'll see what I'm talking about. But I'm just drawing, let me do it just a little bit so you can see. Do you see how I've just kind of started? And I'm gonna draw all the way over, kind of like that one does. Okay, this one, gonna match up with this. Okay, so just like that-ish. Coming together, right? Okay, so you're gonna do the same thing for every one of these squares. You're just gonna find the lines of symmetry and keep drawing away. Okay, remember we want it to look the same on both sides as best as we can. Now this is not easy. I'm not saying this is going to be easy for you, but it should be something that's a little fun today. Just a little bit of practice with symmetry. I'm going to keep So we're just going to keep going all the way through, finishing our frog, drawing with symmetry. Remember, symmetry means the same. So it means whatever's on one side is going to be on the other. So I want you to do your best, draw your frog for me as best you can, and show me symmetry today. I hope you're having a really great day, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow.